What's the meaning of billiards? Billiards. Billiards.
Billiards. Billiards. Billiards is a cue sport that is played on a table with 6 pockets and various balls. The objective of the game is to score points by striking the balls with a cue and making them land in the pockets. There are several different games within billiards, including 8-ball, 9-ball, and straight pool, each with its own set of rules and objectives. Billiards requires skill, strategy, and precision, and is often enjoyed as a social pastime as well as a competitive sport. It has a rich history dating back to medieval Europe, and continues to be a popular game worldwide in both professional and recreational settings.